Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn 3D paper city. For that material is listed. So this is how your final output is going to look. Isn't it interesting? So let's see how to make it. Now I'm going to take 17 centimeter base for first building layer. So we'll just mark 17 centimeter and from there onwards we will start drawing buildings. So where I mark 17 centimeter, that side is my last building. So this is the last building and now I'm going on drawing the other buildings. You can draw some tall buildings, some short buildings, some with triangle roof, some with circular roof. So it's all up to you. I have done here flat roofs. And in order to give them a 3D look, if you see I am darkening the one side of building, it gives a 3D look. Once your buildings are done, you can start drawing windows of different patterns. So if you see, I'm drawing here some square windows, some rectangle windows, you can have curve windows, you can have all sort of fancy windows. Once we are done with drawing the windows and the building completely, we have to cut the outline of building. So one side of building is done. The first layer of building we are done with it. Now the leftover paper I am going to utilize it for the second layer. So for that the second layer should be broader than the first layer. So first building base was 17 centimeter. This one we are going to take around 20.5 or 21 centimeter. You can utilize the full A4 size paper. I've taken a 20.5 base for the second building layer. So this building layer is going to be shorter than the first one, but broader as compared to the first. Similar way, I am drawing here also some 3D buildings with two sides. So now we are done with drawing the buildings. If you see, I have left little bit space at both the sides. So this space was left purposely. We will fold those two sides of the building and we'll keep it aside. Now we will start drawing windows like the first building layer. You can see I have done here circle, then square, rectangle, standing line windows, and I'm now trying to give it a 3D look by darkening one side. So it's all up to you. You can have all sort of fancy windows which you observe around in your surrounding. And now we are going to start with the shortest and the longest layer. So the final layer, if you have observed in a final output, is the car and truck. So here I am drawing one car. I want to show the road. So the length of this road is almost 24 centimeter. You can use any means of transport like car, bus, truck or bicycle for this road. I've used here car and a truck. We will cut the outside of the drawing. Now here I am using black paint for the road. You can use black crayon color or black pastel color, or even you can color the road with black sketch pen. Once the paint is dry, I am going to use white paint to show the divider. You can even show zebra crossing on this road to make it more interesting. Now I'm using here pencil colors. You can use pastel color or you can paint them. You can use crayon colors, whichever color medium you are comfortable with. Here for all these buildings I'm going to use pencil colors, because if you see the building colors are we see pastel shades. We don't see very dark color buildings, black color or brown color. We see subtle and pastel color buildings. So I wanted to give a light colors on this building. So now we are done with all the three layers. If you see, the first layer is tall and short in length, second layer is short but long in length, and the third road is long but it is the shortest strip. And now I'm going to apply glue at the folded part of the second layer of building. So the back side you have to put glue. Both the sides I'm applying glue. Don't put too much glue, just put little bit. Fevicol is very strong. Now this we will paste it at the back side. Let one side dry. Oops. That's why don't be in a hurry. Let one side dry and then you can paste the other side. Similarly, we will do the final road strip. And now for the final layer, you can use blue color paper, black color paper, or any color paper, whichever you want to. If you want to show evening scene, you can use orange, or if you want to show night scene, you can use black color paper or dark purple or dark blue color paper. If you don't have these colorful sheets, no worries. Paint the background the way you want. You can show, you can just give blue color for the last sheet instead of blue paper, and you can use that for the background. This is how it looks like a 3D building paper city, right? Similarly, I wanted to use some bush, or I wanted to show some trees behind the building. So I have cut this tree like thing and I'm going to paste it behind the building, and here is a paper city ready. Thank you.